Welcome. This presentation provides a comprehensive overview of augmented reality. We will cover its fundamental definition, the mechanics behind how it works, and its various real-world applications. To begin, let's define what augmented reality is. Augmented reality, or AR, overlays virtual content onto real-world views through technology. The mechanism utilizes cameras and specialized software to analyze surroundings and then display relevant digital information. For the user, this provides a simultaneous view of real objects and integrated 3D virtual content. Diving into its core functionality, AR applications scan real-world environments to identify and analyze contextual elements. Subsequently, digital content, often in 3D, is displayed and interacts with the perceived real world. A practical example is the Furniture app, which enables 3D furniture previews within your actual living space. The only prerequisite is a camera-equipped device, such as a smartphone or smart glasses, with compatible AR software. There are several essential AR capabilities. 3D visualization projects virtual objects into real environments, improving product presentation. Environment tracking detects and monitors physical objects, facilitating precise digital content integration. Informative text delivers contextual information directly to users. Interactive options support user interface features for dynamic manipulation of digital content, aiding in customization. Lastly, location-based content integrates with GPS and sensors to provide geo-specific digital experiences. We will now shift our focus to the ongoing advancements in AR technology. This includes a look at the development tools that enable AR creation and the diverse ways these technologies are being implemented across different sectors. The foundations of AR development are critical. Software development kits, or SDKs, simplify AR app creation by providing pre-built functionalities, with key tools offered by providers like Apple and Google. There are several types of AR. Markerless AR displays 3D content without pre-programmed markers by recognizing surfaces. Marker-based AR requires recognizing specific objects or images to overlay content. Finally, projection AR projects content directly onto physical objects using specialized devices. The AR platform landscape is primarily composed of two areas. Mobile AR is widely adopted through smartphone cameras and SDKs from major mobile OS providers. Users simply download AR applications or games. In contrast, WebAR is accessible via web browsers on diverse devices, only requiring user permission for camera access. Its key advantage is offering broad reach without requiring an app installation, which enhances convenience and adoption. Let's examine the real-world applications of AR. For consumers, it enhances entertainment, provides practical assistance, and enriches shopping. For businesses, it boosts productivity, improves safety protocols, and strengthens marketing. As a result, industries like manufacturing, education, medicine, energy, and retail are actively adopting AR solutions. The strategic advantage is clear immersion through AR leads to significant operational efficiencies and competitive differentiation.